if we talk about the India market, so what is the focus applications Toshiba Semiconductor is working?
We have a strong lineup, especially power device, MOSFET, and a photocoupler device.
Since pandemic time and the way lead time, delivery disruptions happened, today how the situation is normalizing and how you see it is going forward?
Talking about the collection the material of semiconductor, lead time, return, come back, regular lead time.
Okay. With our experience, we know that Toshiba has been tremendous in supporting the samples. So most of the customers, what they are using Toshiba, they know this fact. But again, there is always expectation from customers that to reduce their design cycle, design time, so that they can come up product at a faster pace.
Our side also trying to prepare the many kinds of solutions. Continue to improve the point. With collaboration with you.
Yeah. Hi friends, so welcome back to Ramakrishna Electro Components Gupsup Corner. As we have been promising you always that we are going to bring lot many new guests who will be having their own expertise, their domain strength and the leadership. So today we have Toshiba Semiconductor India team, if I can say. So we'll be requesting two gentlemen, Ikeda-san and Yasui-san, to introduce themselves first, and then we will take the discussion further.
Okay.
Yeah. So please, Yasui-san. Yeah.
Introduction.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Yasui and I'm in charge of sales and marketing in the ASEAN and India. So I hope we are doing a quite good business with RK and Mount to enhance this business, growing a very enhanced display to the limit. So thank you very much for today.
Yeah. Ikeda-san.
Yeah, good afternoon. Thank you for inviting us.
Yeah.
Thank you for your cooperation. So I'm Ikeda, Toshiba India, sales and marketing team HOD. So I work for Toshiba India around 4 years. So India semiconductor market industry is promising. I'm looking forward to work with RK. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So, gentlemen, as you can see that Yasui-san, Ikeda-san, and then this is the entire team of Toshiba India who has been supporting Ramakrishna team and of course Indian customers. So for what we would like to understand that for Toshiba Semiconductor, for if we talk about the India market, so what is the focus applications Toshiba Semiconductor is working for India? So if Ikeda-san can tell us on that.
Yes. So with our strategy, so product lineup, we have a strong lineup, especially power device, MOSFET, and a photocoupler device. So in past we focus area the legacy market, UPS inverter, lighting, something. So but recently we as we requested you, so we changed to focus area to automotive especially. So especially EV segment. Yeah. So our product line power device is I believe we can contribute the customer's benefit.
Yeah, understand. So, friends, as you can, you listen that what kind of applications this Toshiba team is focusing in India. One thing very important, and always customers are very in anxiety and always curious that when we are talking, since pandemic time, and the way lead time and the delivery disruptions happened. So since then, today, how the situation is normalizing and how you see it is going forward?
So after pandemic COVID-19, so our production or our material suppliers manufacturing already recovered.
Yeah.
So talking about such collection the material of semiconductor, lead time already return come back the regular lead time.
Okay.
Our production manufacturing also, but unfortunately during or after COVID pandemic still continue to cost material costs and assembly costs outsources also assembly costs is every year increasing. That point is our headache. So lead time, of course, we need to secure. And cost-wise, much more our headache.
Yeah, I understand. So this whether it's when any designing organization team developing a product, what is important for them is that the support on the samples, support on the initial reference application documents, so that they can adopt the device into their application. So, with our experience, we know that Toshiba has been tremendous in supporting the samples. So most of the customers, what they are using Toshiba, they know this fact. But again, there is always expectation from customers that to reduce their design cycle, design time, so that they can come up product at a faster pace. So they always expect from global vendors, that global vendors can come up with reference solutions. So in that direction, how you would want to communicate to the Indian customers?
So, your point, totally agree.
Yes.
These are two very important things.
Yes.
So now our side also trying to prepare the many kinds of solution. We will try, but our resources also limited. So that point, so such RK, your support to prepare the solution against customer. This is very helpful for us. So we need to continue to improve that point. But with collaboration, with you, so it's very helpful for us to contact the customer and support the customer. So we also continue to try to increase the number of solutions.
Okay, understand. Really appreciate. So, friends, as you listen from Ikeda-san, that their market is always driven by many factors, and definitely the entire ecosystem of semiconductor in India is growing at a very fast pace. Also, because demand is growing, also because of a lot of geopolitics factor, where the global manufacturers are coming in India, and they are expecting that in the coming time it becomes India becomes center for the global export as well. In all this dynamic situation, when we talk about Toshiba and Ramakrishna, and likewise, that how best we can support to customers. So there is always, there is a gap between what customer is expecting, because entire ecosystem is pushing for more and more commitments. And of course, for a manufacturer as a distribution house, there are always, challenges and processes involved issue. So we will keep coming with solutions as well, because as Ikeda-san said that when we are coming up with solution, that is of course just a reference solution. Again, customers have to invest into that engineering so that it becomes productionable. So this all ecosystem is happening. Now, coming to the another question, Ikeda-san, you have all very wide exposure for the entire global market scenario. So how you see India market different than the developed market, if I can say so? So how it is different? If few factors you want to share?
Yeah, I feel many difference
Okay.
and many difficulties as
Okay.
well. So, the Indian market フォーカスアプリケーション
Mm-hmm.
from a Toshiba point of view,
Mm-hmm.
focus application almost same as other countries.
Mm-hmm.
But customer, as you mentioned, customer require to support solution based and BOM cost requirement
Yeah.
very hard for
Yeah.
us. So, and the customers design cycle time
Right.
period very short.
Mm-hmm.
So it's even though automotive customer,
Yeah.
so Japan, China, Europe, US company,
Mm-hmm.
they are this design term from start to design to start of production,
Mm-hmm.
3 or 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
But Indian customer less than 1 year something, especially 2 years,
Yeah, yeah, understand.
very short.
Yeah.
So it means very difficult to catch their opportunity or but on the other hand,
Mm-hmm.
the short design term
Mm-hmm.
is good for us. Many chance become coming
Yeah, yeah,
existing.
yeah, right.
So our mindset we need to change.
Okay.
So, but such difficulties if we sales Toshiba India sales teams catch up with customers speed or cycle. Japan side will difficult to understand.
Mm-hmm.
So we difficult to get their understanding, the acceptance to support something.
Yeah.
But our mission, we need to report to get their acceptance, to get the support,
Yeah.
to provide to you and the
Yeah.
customer.
Yeah, understand.
That is our mission. So this is a difference in the difficulties.
I understand. Yeah, really appreciate. So friends, I mean, Ikeda-san has been really very frank with his insights because see, whenever there is a challenge, then there only there is opportunity as well. So India has been trying to catch up with the developed market in terms of design cycle, in terms of product launches, and yes, India is doing many things. Engineers, the design product development team is doing many things, but there are legacy things which are there. Like in automotive, the validation time, the design time, it requires pretty 3 years, 5 years, 2 years kind of. And here we are in a situation where customers are demanding that if in the next season if you can launch something. So yes, everybody has to catch up, and we as a distributor, as a business associate, as a business partner of Toshiba Semiconductor, we are trying our best in the best of capability to bring the resources, commit the resources, so that we can come to the expectation of customers. And of course, we cannot do anything without support of the experts and the champions like Toshiba Semiconductor, who have global market share, global understanding of the things, and their strength, their technology leadership is actually giving a lot of confidence and a lot of synergy to the Indian ecosystem into the semiconductor. So yes, we have a pretty good exposure to the Toshiba ecosystem, and we have been working all along together and sharing the feedbacks to Ikeda-san and team. Ikeda-san, now last question, that two Indian product development team, as a Toshiba semiconductor, if you want to communicate something, what is that communication you would like to make to the Indian designers, Indian product designers, customers?
Oh.
So, what is the communication when they think of Toshiba? What they should think about Toshiba? So, what is the communication you would like to make to designers? So let me help me understand. I mean
Yes.
that when they are doing the part selection, when they are doing the support ecosystem, so Toshiba has already a proven strength, and that's why there has been a sustained market adaptability. So in that sense, Toshiba Semiconductor, if we have to communicate to our design engineers in Indian industry, so what is that one communication Toshiba should make to the design engineers? So probably my friends, probably my friend,
What you mean that what is our expectation to the
Yes,
customers
yes,
design teams?
Yes, yes.
So maybe I think most of the Indian designers they want a reference board what is already made.
Yes.
But I think as the market in India grows, they have to design most by themselves, evaluate them by themselves. So I think in that perspective, not just waiting for the reference board, but try to evaluate yourself, design by yourself the diagram, so on. So it will be the very basic power of the Indian economy to grow up in coming years. But on the other hand, we also have to prepare reference board, well, with help of RK, prepare the reference board to the EV or home appliance. So step by step, I think we have to learn each other. But we try to support, with your help, reference board, but they try to investigate what is the best solution to make their EV home appliance, make diagram themselves. So step down to make more better products.
I understand.
I think we have to cooperate together with the customers.
I understand. You want to add something?
Especially automotive customer.
Yeah.
So we are preparing, we will provide a high quality or high reliability products.
Yeah.
Please consider automotive grade.
Yes.
Do not
Yes.
use
Yes.
industry grade.
Yes. Yeah. So friends.
This is my expectation.
Yes, I understand. So friends, as there is a strong suggestion, from Ikeda-san and team that automotive customers must use automotive grade components, as simple as that. So as we say that India remains India, it's unique, it has its challenges, but it has great opportunity as well. And India is in one of the most sweet spot today, considering the entire geo-economic situation. So it has future, and all the engineers who are working on the different product development and all, they have to have their roadmap, their outlook, not only for India market, but as well as for the global market as well. And in that sense, in that context, Toshiba remains a partner which you can always depend on for all your power devices. So that is what from today, for today discussion, and this has been a great opportunity, Ikeda-san, Yusui-san, to bring all your team members here and give us opportunity to interact and communicate to this customer. So friends, as I say, we will keep coming, we will keep bringing the new guests and the people who know the industry, they know their domain, they are technology leaders, they are into the leadership roles, and we will keep sharing the experience so that we can build an ecosystem where we can utilize the experience and take a long roadmap, and we can grow together. So that's for today, and thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.